Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to link your Steam account with your Xbox account, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is make sure you have your Steam account on your hand with all the credentials like the email address and the password that you have used to create the Steam account. Now you have to do is open your Xbox application. If you don't have this, you can download it from the web browser. So you can go to the Xbox PC apps and you can find the app here, the download button that will help you to download the exe file here. So when you have done downloaded, then you have to log into your account or create one if you don't have it. Now from here you have to do is simply click on your profile icon here or the profile name at the top left corner, and you can find the settings. Simply click on settings, where you can find the account option here, where you can find the details about your account and the redeem a code. You can redeem a code from here and add down here you can find the linked account section where you can link your Steam account. So you have to simply click on link button here. Now it will redirect you to the Steam community where you can sign in to your Xbox account. You have to simply click on sign in and open Xbox, and you can see it has just added my Steam account. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.